Let's see what happened when we eat a Zinger burger. Let's see what happened when we eat a chicken sandwich. Witness the journey from first bite to fundamental fuel. The feast meets the furnace. A complex payload descends into the digestive chamber. At the microscopic frontier, the magic happens. Key nutrients captured and launched into the life river. And now, the transformation. Energy radiates outwards, a wave of vitality illuminating every cell, empowering the entire system. The mind sparks to life. Neurons fire with newfound clarity and speed. In the muscles, the microscopic repair crews swarm, rebuilding fibers stronger than before. Deep within, a universe of allies thrives, a balanced microbiome, the foundation of wellness.